Hey guys, Amanda here from Test Equipment Depot. Today I'm going to show you what's in the box of the Amprobe AT7030 kit. All components of the Amprobe AT7030 comes in a hard carrying case. So we're going to open this up and see what's inside. We have the AT7000 receiver unit, the AT7000 transmitter, the test lead set, 2 alligator clips, the SC7000 signal clamp, 1 HS1, the BR7000T smart battery pack, and the BR7000C battery charger. And there's also some extra batteries included. And once again, this all fits inside the super convenient hard carrying case. For more information on the Amprobe AT7030 kit, click on the link below. Thanks for watching another video from Test Equipment Depot.